Lead gen or demand gen? What should you focus on first? If those terms sound the same to you, stick around. I'll break down the difference in 90 seconds flat. Hey, we're BigClick's Boon. And if you're building a sales funnel or planning a B2B marketing strategy, understanding the difference between demand creation and lead capture could change everything. Demand generation is all about creating awareness and sparking interest before someone's ready to buy social media content, webinars, educational blogs, stuff that builds trust. Lead generation kicks in after interest is built. It's about capturing contact info through forms, gated content, or landing pages. This is where lead capture tactics live. In the funnel, demand gen happens at the top, warming up the audience. Lead gen sits mid to bottom, turning interest into action. The two aren't rivals, they're teammates. Imagine running a free webinar and then offering a free trial. That's lead generation. That's the synergy we're talking about. Now that you know the difference, which one do you need more of right now? Drop your answer in the comments and subscribe for more bite-sized marketing breakdowns.